Hi guys, welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to use the Edit Poly feature of 3ds Max, and we're just going to have a little bit of a play around with all the features there. So to start off with, just select your 3D object in standard primitives. Any 3D object will do for this. I'm going to choose a cone, like that. Looks good. Once we have our object, select it, and then right click, go all the way down to the bottom to convert to, and we're going to convert to editable poly. This brings up this modifier here over to the right, and it allows us to edit vertexes, edges, border, polygons, or even the entire element itself. Today we're going to choose polygon, the square, and what this does, it allows us to select each segment of my object, like so. And what I can do with this, I can delete individual segments as I choose, really. But for this, we're going to delete a whole chunk out of. I'm going to delete a whole chunk out of my cone here. Something like that. That's fine. And then what we're going to do is, by going down this section a little bit, we have this Edit Polygons section here. And we have all these options to extrude, outline, bevel, insert, bridge, or flip. So like for example, I can extrude this top plate by going over to settings, just right of extrude, and I'll give you this pop-up here, and as you can see, I have this kind of option to extrude this however I like. Always remember to click the tick when you're done. If I click off it, it'll just erase everything I've done, but it'll bring it back again once I click on the polygonal surface. And it's also a good way to kind of change the segments. If I wasn't happy with how that looked, I could click any other segment and it'll apply that same kind of modifier extrusion to whichever I like. And if I hold down Control and select, I can do this modifier to multiple segments. So, and yeah, so we click our tick, that looks alright for now. And then if I want to create a bridge between my segment, let's just say my bottom segment and my top segment, like so, I can go over to bridge settings and it gives us a bridge modifier, and again I can edit the amount of segments in this kind of new bridge, or I can have options to taper it, which kind of warps it in different ways. Create something cool like that. I can edit how that taper is kind of warps like this. I can smooth it out if I so wished, or if I wanted to go really crazy, I could use the twist feature. So once I'm happy with that, I can just go tick, and now we have this kind of crazy vortex shape. Using the outline, I can select an individual segment, and this allows me to create kind of like this edit the size of individual segments, just like this. Or if I wanted to insert a segment within the segment, I could do that using the inset feature over here, bevel. Using the bevel feature, I can create sort of a extrusion again, just based off that segment alone. And then finally, what I can do is I can flip. So if I were to select this whole kind of this group of segments like that, and then go flip, what it would do is it would flip the face of each one of those segments inside out. So as you can see now, it's black, like it's from the inside. Select it again and go flip, and now it's the right way around. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. You can play around with it yourselves and create your own crazy little object like this. You know, it is pretty useful for quick editing of your own segments. The options are honestly limitless with this feature. But that's it for now. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.